Welcome to Adventures with Ellen Camp. Today we're making a pumpkin spice cake with cream cheese frosting. We have a special guest with us today. She made the recipe all by herself. Welcome, Emery! She's going to be telling us how to make this cake. Let's get started.
Started putting on our aprons. We're putting on our aprons. That's all we're doing right now. I just like to speed it up because it's kind of cool. But yeah.
2 3/4 cups of flour.
2 teaspoons of baking powder.
1 teaspoon of baking soda.
2/4 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice.
2/4 teaspoon of cinnamon.
1 teaspoon of nutmeg.
1/2 cup of butter. 2
eggs.
1 cup of milk.
1/4 cups of sugar.
1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Don't
forget
1 15-ounce can of pumpkin.
For the icing, you will need
8 ounces of cream cheese. But this is somewhere.
3 2/4 cups of powdered sugar from at your local Walmart.
2 teaspoons of vanilla.
1/2 cup of butter.
Butter makes everything better.
Let's get started. Emery's going to explain to you how to make this cake. I'm going to pass it on to Emery.
Preheat your oven to 375. Grease your pan. Dry ingredients like flour, baking powder, baking soda, and the spices. Then you need to mix your wet ingredients, sugar, vanilla, eggs, butter, and other stuff. A grease pan.
After you've mixed your dry and wet ingredients into 2 separate bowls, mix them together in one bowl.
The icing is really easy. Mix the cream cheese, the sugar, the vanilla, and the butter together.
And then ice the cake. Snap my fingers and the cake is going to be ready.
It's not that easy.
Hi guys, so we're making a bundt cake, so we're using a bundt cake pan. But honestly, you could use this cake recipe for any pan that you're using, but we're going to use a bundt cake because we think that'll come out the best, be the best result. Now let's keep going in the oven for 1 hour and 10 minutes.
Almost ready. 10 more minutes. Ready. Now we gotta let it cool for 10 minutes.
This tip from Emery.
Always take it out of the pan because then it will cook in the pan and then it will get burnt.
Wait, what?
We're going to wait a few more minutes to ice it. Let's get started icing it. Warning, if you're a perfectionist, do not watch this part of the video.
It's all done and iced. Like I said, if you're a perfectionist, you do not want to look at this.